Beginning Armor Digimon Evolution. Tonight we're going to draw Armadillomon. Yeah, this is my first time drawing this Digimon fighter. Let's get started. He inherits the crust of knowledge and the crust of... well, the one Joe has. Alexa, play Hey Digimon.
Here's Hey Digimon by Chris Allen Hess on Amazon Music. Sorry, I am having trouble playing the music from your library. Sorry, I am having trouble playing the music from your library.
Alexa, what's an armadillo?
Decipididae is a family of mostly extinct genera of armadillos. One genus, Dasypus, is extant, with at least 7 living species.
Alexa, what is the definition for armadillo?
Armadillo is usually defined as any of several burrowing, chiefly nocturnal mammals constituting the family Decipididae, ranging from the southern U.S. through South America, having strong claws and a jointed protective covering of bony plates, used in certain areas for food.
Alexa, play Hey Digimon.
Hey Digimon by Chris Allen Hess on Amazon Music.
Hey Digimon, monster friends to the boys and girls. Hey Digimon, champions of the digital world. Hey Digimon, the ultimate friends to the boys and girls. Hey Digimon, champions of the digital world. 7 young kids go to camp for the summer and wind up living in a digital land where everybody gets to meet his own Digimonster, a digital companion, a digital friend. A Digimon in training will Digivolve to rookie, a Digivolve to champion and ultimate too. I'm gonna save the digital world for me. I'm gonna save the digital world for you. Hey Digimon, monster friends to the boys and girls. Hey Digimon, champions of the digital world. Hey Digimon, the ultimate friends to the boys and girls. Hey Digimon, champions of the digital world. The Digi world is safe in the Digimon's hand. What the rookie can't do, the champion can.
And finished. That is how you draw Armadillomon. Now we're ready to save the planet once again. That's all for now. Stegosaurus, see you later. This one goes out to AMNH.